In this video, I'm going to show you how to make TikTok account private. So recently the interface has changed and now we have the another way to make it private. So all you need is just to open the TikTok and then go to profile in the right bottom corner. So make sure that you are logged into your account. So all we need now is just to change some settings, but do not go to edit profile because there is no any settings about privacy, so we cannot even change the privacy. So all we need is just to click on more in the right top corner on these three lines. So just click there, and now all we need is just to find settings and privacy right up here, and after that we need to find the first window with account settings, and right up just go to privacy. So here we can see the discoverability window. So we have a private account switcher, so just all we need is just to switch it to the right position to make it like blue, and it asks us switch to personal account to set as private. So if you are on a business, you need to change it to the personal, so switch anyway. And now we switch to personal account, and now we can just click once more, and now as you can see our account was successfully turned in a private mode. Now we will not be able it won't be able to find our account like in a recommendation line. So guys, I hope this video was useful for you. If it is, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and write your comment. Goodbye.